Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Today, I'm here at Marriott's Maui Ocean Club, Lahaina and Napili Villas. That means I'm going to take you on a resort tour of this wonderful property right after this. Before we continue this tour, are you interested in visiting Marriott's Maui Ocean Club? If you're headed to the beautiful island of Maui, then be sure to take a look at Red Timeshares. They offer premier timeshare rentals, ensuring you have a fantastic vacation experience. Click on the link in the video description, the pinned comment, or scan the QR code right here on the screen to explore Red Timeshares. They stand apart from other timeshare booking websites. As soon as you find a reservation you want, you can book it and pay for it instantly on their website with no additional booking or processing fees. You can rely on Red Timeshares to get your family the perfect accommodations in Maui and many other resort destinations. Thanks to Red Timeshares for sponsoring this video. And now let's continue showing you this beautiful resort here at Marriott's Maui Ocean Club. All right, we're starting out here at the end near the Lahaina Villas, and the Lahaina Towers actually right here. And the main parking garage for the entire Marriott's Maui Ocean Club is right here. We'll actually take a walk through there in just a moment, but I do want to point out here is also the Hyatt Regency Maui Resort and Spa and public beach access. Both resorts actually have a little bit of public beach parking too. So if you want to just come here, you're not staying here, take advantage of public beach parking. We're just going to head through the garage here. A few things I want to point out to you in there, and then we'll make our way to the other side and start looking at this beautiful and fantastic resort. All right, so this here is kind of the main entrance to the parking garage here at the Lahaina Tower. I want to mention that this is supposed to be kind of set up in an automated way. When you check in, they'll take your license plate number and register that in the system. Then when you pull through here, there's supposed to be cameras that kind of read your license plate and will automatically open the gate. I've noticed that the last 2 times for us hasn't been all that reliable. So there is also a place you can swipe your key card to get in. Yeah, that there is the entrance. We'll just make our way around here so I'm not kind of walking in through there. And we'll take a look at a few things just inside the garage. All right, so this is kind of the lower level, P2 and P1 down there of the parking garage. These are the 2 easiest levels to get to because just up here, I want to actually show you something that's a little bit problematic. All right, so right here, you're going to notice they have a thing that says drive slow, steep incline, 5 miles per hour. As you can see, it's a really steep incline. A couple of speed bumps there, and then a really kind of sharp threshold to kind of get over the edge of that to the next level up. I actually bottomed out both times I tried to go up in a minivan. I think the key is to go up straight, and then once you're up and over that, then you make your turn. I don't know what it was with us, but both times we kind of scraped the bottom of the van a little bit, so be very careful. I actually just saw 2 vehicles go through and they didn't have any issues, and they didn't have really any more clearance than I did in our minivan. Yeah, let's just kind of go around the corner here. We'll make our way out this way. We do have an elevator here. This goes to the parking garage only. So one drawback of the parking garage here is I noticed it's actually not connected in any way to the Lahaina Tower, so it doesn't matter what deck of this garage you're parked on, you can't actually go from your car, from whatever level you're on, directly into Lahaina Tower. We do have to actually come down this elevator all the way to the ground floor, then out through here and into the Lahaina Tower lobby, and well, that's where we're going to go next. We're going to make our way down here. I just want to show you really quickly the Lahaina Tower lobby. Not a whole lot going on there, but just a little bit to take a look at. You'll notice here they do have these water machines kind of spread around throughout the property, a few of them. So if you want to fill up with water, I notice they do say to have advanced osmosis. I'm not really sure what advanced osmosis is. I know what reverse osmosis is, and it's pretty good filtration. So if it's anything like that, you're going to get good, clean, filtered water right here. Now making our way into the lobby area here of the Lahaina Tower. They do have a luggage scale over here, so maybe you want to weigh your luggage before you go to the airport. Make sure you're not paying any oversized or overweight baggage fees. In here, they also kind of have a little concierge desk. And I noticed down this hall, there's actually a doorway there. It's actually open, doesn't say staff at all. And inside there is some luggage carts. Not sure if you're supposed to be able to use them, but hey, I'll be giving it a try when we check out later this week. But yeah, also in here, they do have kind of a small little business center, so you can print off anything, maybe some boarding passes for the airport as well. Get a little seating area, and then the elevators that go up here to the villas in Lahaina Tower. Yeah, just a little seating area in here. Nice little area. It's cool during the day when it's hot outside. Now that we've seen that, let's make our way back outside, and it's onto the pools. Yeah, coming out of that lobby area, the first pool we have here by the Lahaina Tower is, yeah, this nice little pool right here. They actually do have a hot tub here too, so if you want to take advantage of that, feel free to enjoy the hot tub or spa. Yeah, just a little pool here. Looks like it maybe goes up to 4 feet in depth. Not too big, and we've actually noticed it's kind of fairly busy during the day. The quieter pool, or one that we noticed is a little bit quieter, is kind of on the other end of the property. Don't worry, we'll be sure to check that out here a little bit later in the video. So yeah, really great pool here, and we can see lots of kind of lounge chairs to kind of hang out, and plenty of shade upgrade with the different umbrellas around the pool. Let's just take a quick walk over here. We're going to walk out onto the lawn here. Some other features and amenities I want to show you. So yeah, really great lawn area here. They have a number of hammocks around the property too, so looks like a nice place to kind of just lay out and relax. This nice lawn. They have lots of lounge chairs out here too. Always see plenty of people here hanging out on the lawn, hanging out on one of the lounge chairs, enjoying that view out to the Pacific Ocean. And while we're out here on the lawn, I do want to point out to you here the Lahaina Tower at Marriott's Maui Ocean Club. Beautiful big tall tower. I'm not exactly sure the unit size is in here, probably 3-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. Of course, do lock off into studios, 1-bedrooms and 2-bedrooms. Great views here if you're staying in this building out here to the Pacific Ocean. Well, that's just trees. Let's get the camera kind of angled down a little bit. So yeah, beautiful views out to here from any of those villas up there. Although we were in an ocean view and it's not too bad. Still great views out to the ocean. So now we've seen that, and let's just walk over here. They do have a set of gas grills, and there's plenty of these around the property, both in the old and new section of Marriott's Maui Ocean Club, and they are certainly very, very busy, very, very popular, and they do clean them really well pretty much every day. So yeah, that is the gas grills. Now let's just walk over here. We have another kind of upper pool to this lower pool that we just took a look at. So now let's actually make our way kind of up to this upper pool area. I do want to point out there is a towel hut here, so you can get your towels, you can get your wristbands. Yeah, let's just head over here and take a quick look at this. Yeah, so here's kind of a look at the pool here. This is the upper pool. It does flow down there into the lower pool, and unfortunately, it looks like they're working on that bridge right now, so there's no way you can actually kind of go between the two pools right now. There's another one just up there. Let me go over here to the other side because there's a few things I want to show you over there, and we'll take a look at that pool and a little bit of a water feature up there as well. Yeah, here's the bridge that they're working on, and if you were confused, it says, caution, bridge is under repair, although all of the orange kind of construction fencing here is definitely a big indicator that they're working on the bridge. Yeah, let's just make our way across here. Not too sure what they're doing here. They do make it right now, so it's impossible to actually go from the upper pool via those stairs down to this lower pool and then under the bridge because it's all blocked off. Let's head over this way, and then we're going to take a little bit better look at that other little pool area. Yeah, so as we make our way over towards this pool area right here, I do want to show you really quickly. They do have a little kind of activities area. They do have ping pong. There is also cornhole there, and they have foosball over here too. That there is the parking garage at the Lahaina Tower that we saw just a moment ago. But something else I want to point out, just beyond this little activities area, they do have 4 more gas grills. So lots of gas grills spread throughout the property. Now let's just make a quick walk up these steps. We're going to take a look at this little pool area up here at the top. Yeah, really great pool here. Nice water feature. Kind of drowns out the noise from around the resort. So this might be a nice place to come and hang out during the day. I actually noticed a lot of these chairs were pretty full the other day when we walked through. Yeah, this pool flows into that pool, which flows into the pool I showed you near the beginning of the video. So a really great pool here and a nice place to come and spend your vacation. So now that we've seen this end of the property, we're going to make a quick bypass past Marriott's Maui Ocean Club. We'll stop in the middle there briefly just so I can explain something to you and point out another video that I want you to check out. So let's make our way up towards now the Napili Tower. Here we are making our way past the original section of Marriott's Maui Ocean Club. I want to point out I've actually split this resort tour into 2 separate videos. We have a resort tour for the original property, which I'm looking at right here. If you want to see that, I will put a link to it right up here, so check that out. This is the area or section of the property where you're going to find all of the food and beverage options. So feel free to come over here, take advantage of the food and beverage. And of course, if you're staying in either section, whether it be Lahaina and Napili or the original towers, which they call Lanai, Molokai, and Maui, you can utilize the facilities at any section of the resort. It's kind of 2 resorts in one, but I did decide to split it into 2 just because it's so big and I didn't want the videos to be too long. So if you want to check that out, head over there and check out the other video. It's where I actually go through the main lobby area, the different shopping and restaurants that are available here at Maui Ocean Club. So now we've seen that and I've pointed that out. It's on to Napili Tower. All right, we're now coming up on the Napili Tower. This here is the Makai Tiki Bar. Well, the sign for it anyway. We'll show you the actual Tiki Bar here in a little bit. But we do have a smoking area over here. So if you're a smoker, that's where you're going to want to come. But you do have good views out to the Pacific Ocean. And here's where you can sign up for a timeshare sales presentation if you're just walking the boardwalk. Up here, we have a number of different activities. You can do rentals. You can take surf lessons. You can buy or rent tubes. They do have boogie boards, all kinds of stuff, beach chairs. Yeah, this here is the Beach and Ocean Recreation Center. And And now we're actually getting our first look here at the Pacific Ocean. Really good views here. And it looks like you can, of course, also rent surfboards. Over here we have Kealani's Juice Bar. So if you want some juice, I noticed this is actually open in the mornings. So come out here, get yourself a beverage. But now let's just walk back here. We'll walk across the lawn. And right in front of me here, we do have the Napili Tower. So these here are full 2 and 3 bedroom units. Many of them do also lock off into studios and 1 bedrooms, and even into 2 bedrooms and studios, depending on the configuration that you've booked or that you have or that you own. So yeah, this here is Napili Tower. And over here they do also have shuffleboard. Let's just walk up here and take our first look at the pool that's on this end of the property. So yeah, this here is kind of a long, skinny pool, kind of goes all the way up over here. Let's actually make our way up there and just take a look. And this one kind of just runs along in front of the Napili Tower building. Really, really nice pool. They do have a set of stairs to kind of go between the 2 levels. And the stairs are there so you don't try and jump over the waterfall. You know, kind of that Darwin's theory. We'll build steps, and if you jump over the waterfall and you get hurt, well, we're not going to cover you. Here is kind of that upper pool area. Like I said, it's a long, skinny pool. It goes all the way down there to the end. And then there's also another pool kind of just on the other side that flows into this. So really, really great pool features here at the resort. Now, there is one other thing I want to show you. It's just up here on the other side, kind of at the other side of Napili Tower. And as we make our way through here, we'll just take a look at the lawn area. Plenty of lounge chairs, plenty of places to come out, hang out in the sun and relax. And you can see here, people are out here already saving chairs. And it's just after 7 a.m. So I'm making my way around here to the side of the Napili Tower. Just want to show you a set of gas grills that they have. Yeah, plenty of gas grills around the property. I showed you some at the other end. I believe they have at least 18 grills here on property because one of these is labeled number 18. So they have at least that many. I haven't necessarily seen them all yet. Let's just walk over here. They do have a little putting area, so let's just take a quick look at that. So yeah, just a little kind of putting green area here. Maybe you want to come out and practice your putts. Bring a putter. I don't know that they actually provide putters or golf balls. I'm sure you can get them maybe at the activities area, but just a little putting green. Looks like it's a little bit rough shape. Doesn't probably get used all that often. Artificial kind of putting greens right beside the real grass. But now let's make our way back past the pool areas. I want to show you the other parking area here at the property where you might want to park if you're in Napili Tower. So yeah, we're kind of back up here near the Molokai Tower. Just wanted to point out more gas grills, so plenty of those around. There's those shuffleboard courts again. So just making my way across this little bridge that goes over the 2 pool areas. But over here, we do also have the Makai kind of tiki bar. So if you're wanting to drink here, they might have this open sometimes during the day. Not too sure what the hours are for the Makai tiki bar. Yeah, just one last look here at this part of the pool. Now let's make our way back through here. Something else I want to show you on the other end. So here is the Makai pool bar. Actually a place to grab some drinks if you want to hang out at the pool. Though I will mention, drinks are very expensive. I noticed I think the cheapest drink was probably about $19. So expect to pay a lot when you're getting drinks here at Makai and pretty much all around the resort. Now we'll head over here. There is a set of restrooms, and one thing I want to mention, these ones actually require a room key to get in. So make sure you bring your room key with you. Then making our way back here, we do have kind of the lobby area, elevators that go up to the Napili Tower. Now notice they do have a towel tracker here. That's the first time I've actually seen that here on property. And they have another one of those kind of water machines that I showed you earlier on. Let's just go around here. I do want to show you kind of the small parking area they have for this building. So here is the parking garage down here at the Napili Tower. You can see the Napili Tower right here, those, I believe, island view units. So you'll have great island views if you're in one of those. This here is the parking garage. I might not really actually call it a parking garage. It is just 2 levels. You have a lower level and then an upper deck. And of course the gate here to come in. There's no place to scan your card. I think this might just be an automatic gate that lifts when you pull up. I don't really think it reads your license plate like it does down at the Lahaina Tower. Not seeing any cameras here that would really read your license plate, but maybe they do. Though I also saw a motorcycle just come through here a moment ago and it just lifted up on its own. So anyway, this here is where you can park. If you don't find a parking space here, you're gonna have to either utilize valet or you're gonna have to utilize the parking that's quite a ways away down at Lahaina Tower. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And if you want to see another video from here at this resort, it is gonna be a 2-bedroom ocean view villa tour. You can check that out here coming up next. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination, it's always a timeshare.